Hey, I'm Ryan Schramm, and today I'm going to be taking on a tour of a neighborhood in San Clemente in the community of Talega. So we're going to be looking at Alassio, which is a condo community. It's very, very close and pretty much a part of the Talega Village. And the village has a few really good restaurants. It's got a grocery store and some other retailers like a State Farm. It's got a barber shop, nail shop, things like that. Very centrally located in the neighborhood of Talega. And right now I'm actually kind of parked in the driveway of the Talega Golf Course Clubhouse. There's an 18-hole public course here. That's also very close to Alassio. So we're gonna take you on a little drive of this community. It's pretty much the least expensive buy in Talega. And that kind of translates to being one of the most affordable options in San Clemente altogether as a whole too. So you can see the monument signage as we come in here, Alassio. And these condo townhomes are basically from 1,200 to 1,700 square feet, is the rough square footage range. And it's it's shaped like a heart, this neighborhood, and it's in the heart of Talega. 170 units total here. They all come with 2-car garages. Some of those garages are side by side. Some of them are in tandem, like a tandem bicycle, right? Front to back. So a lot of these 2-car garages are tandem. The HOA dues in this community run $485 a month. There's actually 2 HOAs, one to Talega Master Corp, which is like the master association, and then the Alassio Association in and of itself. They total $485 a month. I've spent a lot of time in this community showing property. I have friends that live in this community. I actually bring my daughter up here. She has some friends that live here, and we use the swimming pool. It's one of the nicest amenities. Very nice pool and hot tub spa in the Alassio neighborhood. You can see there's a fair amount of cars parked on the street here, so parking is not a huge challenge, but it's a challenge. If homeowners have 3 cars and they're using their garage for storage, a lot of times they end up on the street. So street parking is allowed. These homes on the right here are not part of Alassio. Alassio is in the middle of this community. We'll cover the exterior, Santa Ana. We'll cover those homes in another video, but today we're focusing on the townhome condos of Alassio. So the big thing you're looking for if you're buying a property for yourself in here, or if you're looking at for an investment property to rent it out, because it's a condo complex and there's 170 units in here, where you end up as far as location matters. Privacy, sunlight. Is there another home looking into your home? These are things that become very important when there's more density like there is in this neighborhood. So when shopping, those are things that when I take you through a property, we look at that. And it also factors out in the price. The price range in here right now, there's one on the market on Paseo Luna. The ranges right now are typically $700,000 to somewhere in the $800,000 range. The $800,000 range, and the high 8s is going to be one of the larger floor plans in a good location with good privacy, good sunlight. If it's a smaller floor plan and it's kind of wedged into a corner and it's darker, doesn't get as much sun, that's going to be one of the less expensive. So it's not a huge neighborhood. We've kind of driven through most of the streets now. Again, the Alassio is on the left-hand side of the car. It is trash day in here. We're doing this on a Tuesday. So if you're looking at this neighborhood, trash day is Tuesday. And the last thing that I'll kind of mention here, Talega is a master plan community. It was started in the very early 2000s. So with Talega comes Mello-Roos. With a lot of these newer construction communities in South Orange County, you're gonna have Mello-Roos tax. And that is something that you actually pay as a real estate tax. You pay it on your tax bill. And the range in here is anywhere from $1.50 to $1.65 per square foot. So you'll see that special assessment on the property tax bill, and it will be anywhere from $1.50 to $1.65 extra, in addition to the 1.01% tax rate that we already have in San Clemente, and in addition to HOA dues. So that's Alassio for you. I hope that gives you a nice little idea of the community, but without actually being there. And we're gonna finish up here. You can kind of see the village center here. Mission Heritage Medical Group. There's Ballpark Pizza, Pete's Coffee, Indian cuisine. We come up here for Ballpark Pizza every once in a while. It's a great spot for kids. There's a lot of arcade games, good pizza, beers on tap. And then the golf course driving range is out in the ravine in front of us. So it's a nice neighborhood to live in. It's very walkable. You can ride a bike to a lot of cool things, and a good price range. Thanks so much for checking out Alassio in Talega, city of San Clemente. We'll see you on the next tour.